There's the play place. The outside of the Hard Rock. Spooky in the sun. So how much did you lose in there?
A lot.
I lost 20. Big house. Is this place called Resorts? I'm not sure. That's what it seems like. It's Margaritaville.
Or are you still waiting a little longer for you're hungry?
I don't know what else is coming up other than Caesars. They claim to have the world's greatest daiquiris. Who knows? Got touristy places like you would see in Ocean City. Buy your beach goods. Cheeseburgers. More shops. Funnel Cake House. Spiritual advisor. You always need that.
Yeah, well, it doesn't matter.
Giant sign. I would say that compared to the other hotels, Hard Rock did have a good selection of games, and they had a lot of games, but still not the games like they have in Vegas, like what you would find at the Cosmos. So for me, Cosmo is still number one. That's one's my favorite. More tourist shops. I don't get drunk, I get awesome. Should I get that see-through skirt? Got some interesting stuff over there. Got fried chicken, funnel cake, psychic readings. There's a lot of psychic reading people here. I always love Ripley's, but I've been in 2 so far, and they seem to be kind of the same, so can you change it up, Ripley's, so we have reason to come back, because I really like going inside. He's inside of Ripley's if you want to see the Hulk. The shark too. There is a bathroom right across from Ripley's if you're looking for one. I guess Zach is passing on Atlantic Palace.
I don't know what Atlantic Palace is.
There's all kinds of food places coming up. Who's buying stuff like this when they come to the beach? I guess if you know it's here, they got here no you will see the weevil monkeys. Massage Paradise, Collector's World. It's all t-shirts and beach stuff. Nothing super different or interesting yet, except for that one with the statues. They all order from Wish. There's Stuart. Boardwalk stuff. They're creepy, whatever they are. Oh, you can get yourself some pets. And there's stuffies in there if you like stuffies like I do. So they look like the kind you get out of a cheap claw machine. Kind of like full of beads and not put together. I like that dress. The black and white one. That's cool. Food court. A lot of the food places have the same thing. So somebody really needs to come down and put something different in or make it killing. There's another creepy guy.
Everybody can make money down here just selling these. That's another point.
Here you go, dude.
Now, let me see if they can put this.
We'll meet you down here. He's tired. Overtired.
Oh, hi. There's the tram. Transport. Not sure how you get on it though. It must be stops.
I know.
I don't know if you can just flag it down and say, hey, let me on.
Well, yeah.
Okay, city.
She's got like 6 pairs of shorts. She's got
Original Philly cheesesteak. I think that originated in Philly. Not probably here unless that guy moved from Philly. We're almost to Bali's. We're at Indian Avenue. Bali's. We tried to get a membership there, but it didn't go well.
Right there.
Taffy Fudge and macaroons. Since when did macaroons become a beach thing? Bally's Casino. We already have a video playing there before. You can check it out. Johnny Rockets. You never made it to Johnny Rockets on your boat. Found something Pookie's interested in. Beach bar. It's a long walk.
Turn fast. All right. Everybody. Good.
My legs aren't working.
Hot days, hotter nights. Beach bar. You gotta get in the sand. You're crowded. They got all day drink specials till 6 p.m. $8 beers, that's a... Today's Friday, right? Frozen drink, $7. Would mudslide be a frozen drink? Not bad. It's my beach bar pina colada. We got a lot of beer. Going into Caesars to use the $27 I forgot to use the last time we were there.
Wish me luck. And Poopy's gonna play Samurai and Tarzan.
You can't tell from here, but it's Rainforest Cafe. If you like the Rainforest Cafe, it's fun. At least we got shade now walking back. Beach isn't the beach without some mini golf. This is the first one I've seen though. Ooh, it's a little uneven here. The boardwalk is. Still passing Caesars. So big. It's in the way. More beach stuff. It's kind of a repeat of the other beach stuff. Tons of ice cream places. Almost back to the Tropicana. Here's Zach's kind of place. Beer gratin. Lots of beer taps. That place closed, I guess. Readings by Tina. Steel Fudge. Boardwalk. Ooh, something different. Realty. JP Imports. There's the Tropicana. Almost back.